So welcome back to my channel, guys. Right now I'm on my way to the airport and I'll tell you where I'm gonna go once I reach the airport. So right now I've done with the check-in and immigration, everything is done. Traveling with me is my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
So right now I'm on the way to the lounge. So let's go. So right now I've quickly come to the lounge. I'll grab something to eat and then get back to you. I'm having some fruits and some chicken and some yogurt.
A few moments later.
So right now it's time to board the flight and you can see that's the flight. So right now I've reached Malaysia airport and I'm at the lounge having some coffee. So right now, as I told you before, I was going to reveal the place where I'm going to go. I'm traveling to Sydney. Yes guys, I'm traveling to Australia. So I'll be showing you all of Australia. Not all, almost the main parts of Australia. So I'll see you on the other side of the video. Let's go. So right now, just after we left from the airport, I came to this place. This is the most famous harbour bridge. We came down here to the Bondi beach and we've come here to have our lunch. This seems to be a pretty nice place. I'll just show you a glimpse of this place. The buildings over here are very beautiful. Already in love with Australia. I know it's been quite some time that I haven't uploaded any video, and yeah, because I was planning this trip and I was busy with few things. So very soon I'll start with the vlogs, like I mean the food fiesta of Bangalore. Few people have been suggesting me on my Instagram, so yeah, I'll be doing that pretty soon, right after I finish this Australia trip. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. In case you like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and please do subscribe in case you haven't. I know it's been a very small video and it's been all about traveling. So next video is going to be really fun. So see you. Until then, goodbye.